actually the meaning of the word covert just got made by a 12-year-old. You mean Zoe? You just murdered two guys? You shot your own daughter up with me? How could you do that to her? I need to keep her safe. Safe? You turned into a monster. Like you. I'm sorry, that sounds like the pot calling the kettle a teleporting dude with his dick out. Worst mistake I ever made. But you, I mean, we're like family. I mean, was everything just bullshit? I almost told you once. And out of the blackout, you remember? Back every day you said you could caring for Zoe. We'd play Uno with her for hours until the lights came back on. And I thought, you were my closest friends. I mean, hell, you're dating a bitch, because anyone would understand would be you, right? Why didn't you tell me? Scared? Scared to get to part my head. I was scared to lose you. I always cared about you, Zoe. That part was real. Hey, Vicky? I have to be on TV in like 10 minutes of I'm gonna out you. We're gonna go to the press telling you blew up Congress. I still got the red river files. Yeah. Have you ever seen War Games? What am I saying? Look at you. Of course you've seen fucking War Games. You're making jokes? Mutually assured destruction. I heard you do out me. I kill everyone you've ever loved.